Moto Steve.
Hey guys, Moto Steve here. As you can see on this helmet, I put a light mode kit on it, and unfortunately the light mode kit has completely crapped out. Had a good run. I'm going to replace it with this Chinese brand. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to replace it with that. It's got 3 modes. I did a video years ago. I'm going to take this all off, strip it down, and then I'll keep you posted, and I'll show you the steps as I go through it. Alright. Alright guys, Moto Steve here. It might look like I had to tape it all in place to make sure everything is going to be on both sides, but this is basically what it's going to look like when it comes on. It has 3 modes. It has a solid, has the flashing, and now I'm going to have to glue it into place and go from there. I'll show you the end result. And thanks for coming out and checking out Moto Steve on my channel. I really appreciate it, guys. I did this video for the original lights that I put on the helmet probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and they just crapped out. So this is the new set of lights, and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot. Keep you posted. Hey guys, this is the end product. Basically the helmet's all wired up now, and pretty cool design on it. I thought it was pretty neat. Anyways, thanks for coming out to my channel and checking it out. Once again, that's the helmet. I wired it all up, glued it. Looks pretty cool. I'm Moto Steve, you're you, I'm me. I love you guys, and I'm done.